How to save a Word document to your desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save a Word document to your desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here first, open the Word document that you want to save, and here you might want to save it on your desktop so it's easy to access later. Or maybe you want to send it to someone. Either way, the process is same. Now, with that being said, you can simply go to the top left corner of the Word and there you can simply click on File. And now, here on the next page from the menu on the left, you can simply click on Save As and then select the Browser option. And once you click on it, a new window will appear. Now, here on the left side, you can simply click on this PC, or you can simply search for the desktop, and here with that you can choose the file name, and once you're done saving the file name you can simply click on save, and that's it. Now here, when you choose or close the Word and go to your desktop, there you'll see the Word document that's being saved. And that's it. That's how you can save a Word document to your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.